Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Nissan Altima versus Ford Fusion. We'll dive into their key differences and help you decide which sedan best fits your lifestyle and budget. These two popular midsize sedans have long been contenders, known for their practicality and comfort. We'll explore what each vehicle brings to the table, from engine power to interior amenities, to give you a clear picture. When it comes to performance, the Nissan Altima typically offers a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, producing up to 188 horsepower with front-wheel drive. The Ford Fusion's base engine is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder, delivering around 175 horsepower. The Altima also boasts superior fuel efficiency, with some models reaching up to 39 miles per gallon on the highway, compared to the Fusion's 31 miles per gallon. The Altima also offers available all-wheel drive for enhanced traction. Inside, both vehicles prioritize comfort and technology. The Nissan Altima provides 15.4 cubic feet of trunk space, expanding significantly with folded rear seats. The Ford Fusion offers a slightly larger trunk at 16 cubic feet. Both cars come equipped with modern infotainment systems, including touchscreen displays and smartphone integration. The Altima features available zero-gravity front seats for enhanced comfort, while the Fusion offers available heated and ventilated leather seats. When considering long-term ownership, the Nissan Altima often holds a slight edge in overall quality and reliability ratings. However, the Ford Fusion can sometimes have a lower 5-year depreciation rate, meaning it might retain its value a bit better over time. Both vehicles have received good safety ratings, offering peace of mind. Ultimately, your choice depends on prioritizing fuel economy, interior space, or specific features. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.